My name is Kennedy Yambala Kawandami. I'm the Managing Director for Kemari Engineered Solutions. Kemari Engineered Solutions is a Zambian company, locally owned Zambian company. We are into fabrication, mechanical engineering, and we also do civils. Yeah, and we have also partnered with an Australian company that we run a dealership called Studwise. Studwise is basically we are armoring equipment in the mining industry to prolong the life of equipment. Okay, well, I've always known Tech, and we're an dollar-based company. So a lot of our artisans and the people we employ have come through this institution. Yeah. So getting a call and from yourselves to come and have a look at what new developments are happening was very encouraging. Hence us coming over and to see what is available, what we can offer our clients, what is the capability of the people being churned out of this institution. Actually, I'm very impressed with the equipment. Um, I love the fact that now you have all the hands-on equipment and not just the textbooks or videos. Now it's very encouraging, and I'm sure the level of participation from the students and the quality of the education will definitely be on the rise because you have more practical, hands-on approach in terms of the technical training. Yes, definitely there's a skills shortage. And which you must always understand is like, yes, we are a third world country and we are importing most of the equipment that we're using to propel the industries. Yeah. So having the right artisans or skill set to service those machines is cardinal, especially when it does help quite a lot. But in terms of, I'll give an example, the Volvo. Yeah, the Volvo trucks, we have some Volvo trucks ourselves, and we have a challenge in the maintenance. Yeah, the parts are all over the place. Yeah, every other shop is selling the parts. So whatever breaks, you can get the part. But diagnosing it, just getting the right people who you can trust, who know the equipment, is generally generally by reference. Yeah, there's a few guys out there who have had success, maybe not even come through Nortec, but are out there servicing, freelancing and servicing the equipment off the bat. Yeah, when we actually do know there's a lot of diagnostics equipment and things like that that can help support all the people. Yeah. So if you are going to train people to support companies like Volvo, even us as transporters, most of the transporters, we are buying vehicles out of the UK or South Africa. And all these people have, all these countries where these vehicles are coming from have facilities in order to maintain those equipment. When they come to Zambia, we're just replacing parts and hoping for the best. Yes, very much so. Because if the youths are to get jobs, they need to be skilled. The companies that are running, especially us local companies, we are usually getting used equipment into the country to support our operations. Yeah, so we do need the maintenance. It's one of the top requirements. We need quality maintenance. Yeah. Even if you buy the equipment brand new, you still need the product support. Really, I think it's just the mindset of women that needs to change. But I have seen women in the engineering sector, women who have done all these courses, and I think really people need to get the perception out of their minds that if you're going to train as a mechanic, You have to be covered in oil, and your overalls will be covered in oil and that sort of thing. People do these trainings, and there's a lot of work out there in terms of planning of operations and planning, purchasing equipment. All those things require people who already have the mechanical know-how. Yeah. So in order for you to execute or plan for a major overhaul or plan for a refurbishment, you need to understand how to put the parts together or what it means to do that job. So that job can be done, well, by women and men. With Kemari, we have no discrimination. I think we adapt to women. We are inclusive, yeah, and yeah, we do encourage women in the workplace. I think they just need to be enthusiastic. Yeah, they need to learn more. It's become a competitive world, but you start somewhere and you prove your worth. A lot of even a lot of countries have workforce shortages, and they're taking a lot of. I know quite a few people who are now into the expat sector. People are going out of the country and working mechanics in Australia, name it. The jobs are there and they're there for the taking. So as long as you've got the technical skills, you should be good. Yes, definitely. We're already employing a lot of, I think 3/4 of our artisans and workforce have been through Nortec. Yeah. Even when they do our trainings from studwise to CNC operations, we regard the Nortec foundation as a suitable base, yeah, for specialization. Yeah, so we would encourage that. Even in terms of the CNC operations, we would like to work with Nortec so that we can have operators that would meet the requirement we need in Zambia.